Imagine if you had some black guys in the hood and 4 of them went out and they said, you know what? We're gonna go out and we're gonna rob the store. And they run in the store and one of the guys pull out a gun and they start tussling, and one of the guys grabs the guy and then another guy shoots the guy in the store. And it's like 4 of them. The getaway driver's outside. You know, if they catch all of them, they charging all of them with murder? They charging all of them with murder. Instantly. So why are you only arresting one person? And making it seem like it's weird that they're asking for the other cops to be arrested too. Come on. One guy is the one that pulled the trigger and killed the person in the store, but one guy might have wrestled with him, and the next one is at the door, and the next one is in the car, and they all get caught while they're getting away. They're all charged. It's crazy. It's like blatantly crazy. The difference with this is a combination of police brutality and racism. When I saw how long he had his knee on his neck, it made me tear up. And with anger, he's not even moving. And he's handcuffed. I'm gonna tell you what one of the most disturbing, I wouldn't even say touching, but it just made me wonder what he was going through. When he had his knee on his neck, the guy was sitting there saying he's in pain. Every part of his body saying he's hurting. Then he started yelling for his mother. Like, mama, mama. I don't think people understood what could have been happening then. His mother died 2 years ago. Was he fading out, seeing his mother while he's dying? A grown man is not gonna ask for his mother at a time like that. Was he seeing his mother while this racist cop has his knee on his neck? Now that's something that really struck a chord with me. You gotta remember, he's not a little kid. Like a little kid would call for their mother. You're talking about a grown man in his 40s. We watched a guy go through phases till he died. Literally. So what are you gonna do different now? Don't act, show. And keep that same energy for weeks, months, and years after the protest signs go down.